How many relationships have you had in total? Splitsvilla से पैसे लेके उन पैसों का क्या किया? What is your body count? How do you earn money? Tell me everything in detail. Who's the most famous person that has DM'd me? How do I apply to be your maid? So guys, a lot of you did answer my Insta poll and you had a lot of questions to ask me. So congratulations, this is a lucky day. Let's go do the basic ritual first. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and now let's start, okay? Also guys, by the end of the video, you should know I listen to what you tell me. I follow instructions, just so you know. So last video you all told me that you want me to actually do give away all my dresses. So I heard you and I thought I should do that. I'll show you which dress I'm giving away and then you can just comment, which is a must. If you want to be eligible, you have to subscribe and I'll just randomly pick somebody जिसको भी वो dress पसंद आएगा. I'll give it to you. The first question is of course of a very loyal follower of mine. Why did you dump your ex? Splitsvilla से पहले वाला. Okay Muneeb, I did not expect कि पहला ही question ही होगा. Honestly, I don't like talking about my ex because it was a very hardcore experience. तुमने अपरिचित मूवी देखी है? अगर तुमने अपरिचित मूवी देखी है, you'll get the reference. एक moment वो रैम्बो था और एक moment में वो अपरिचित था. In short, he was just abusive. Do you think your Splitsvilla friends are your real friends? Yes and no because obviously कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा करूं क्योंकि that means मैं उनसे ज्यादा अच्छा करूं. Nobody would want that. Even me, I would also not want that, ठीक है? But also yes, because some of them do care for me and we've formed great relations. So yeah, yes and no. Again, Muneeb, what was the reaction of Dev when he saw you in Battleground? Funny how things happen. Because him and I were not talking. He had unfriended me for whatever reason and then we were in no talking terms at all. And then when he saw me over there, that he was a contestant and I was hosting the show, it was a little, oh wow, Kashish, you're here. Bahut acha, great to see you. And I was like, yeah, okay, fine. I don't want to talk to you. But eventually we did speak and we sorted it out. But yeah, it was sweet. Nothing controversial in that. Who is your crush? I've read this thing somewhere. A crush is just a lack of information. So now every guy that I have ever liked, I have managed to gather some information. I don't have any crush anymore, but I can tell you what I have a little bit here and there for. So I'm single, right? I'm allowed to have crushes on multiple people. For a girl like me, so young, so hot, high libido, it's very normal and healthy. I recently went to party and there was this guy. He was tall, he was wearing a black shirt. He entered with a girl, but I am assuming that she was not his girlfriend क्योंकि I was with a friend and he was with a friend और मेरा friend मुझे ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ था, ठीक है? So ये मेरे friend का सर है, मैं इस तरफ देख रही थी, उसने मुझे ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ था और मेरे सामने वो लड़का था, उसने अपनी लड़की को पकड़ा हुआ था, उसकी लड़की उधर देख रही थी, मेरा लड़का इधर देख रहा था और मैं और वो एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे. तो हम अपने अपने दोस्त के साथ थे और हमने उनको पकड़ा हुआ था पर हमारा आई कांटेक्ट चल रहा था. So very filmy. So he was a little not crush but ish type of situation. And there's another friend that I'm talking to. He's not my crush of course, but it's fun. It's toxic. So it's fun talking to him. So that's the most recent thing that I have. Jeel_Jen.3 asks, did you develop any feelings for Digvijay during Splitsvilla or Bigg Boss? Yes, I did. The feelings of boredom. He's a very boring guy. No other feeling. Arya Singh asks, what's your height? Please tell me. I am curious. I am 5'3". मेरे insecure होने से ये बढ़ तो जाएगा नहीं. अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं रोज होती. And number 2, average height is 5'2". I'm above average. And plus I always am in heels. That's my height. Have you ever felt true love? Yes, I have. Once with my ex. I was madly in love. So much so I wanted to get married to him. And I was very, very serious about it. I was so in love. मैं उसके लिए सुबह उठती थी and I used to make him breakfast and bring him breakfast in bed. Can you imagine me doing that? I hate cooking. I hate waking up early, but I used to do for him. Next, NS Sobu asks, why aren't you currently dating anybody, Kashish? Because men in Mumbai, they suck. Recently I was at an event and how guys were talking over there. We want to hook up. पर ये high value लड़कियां ना ये hook up नहीं करती है. And I was just listening. I was like, हाँ क्या करती है? They're like, imagine if girls started saying that. Who would ever marry these guys? Next is Darshanan97 asks me, do you believe in aliens? Yes, I watch bare biceps.
मत कर बेटा मत कर.
Hey, don't cancel me for this. Nowadays, anything I say, you all cancel. Okay, Golu797. मैंने कैसे नाम है यार Golu. Do you feel jealous or insecure when you see others are doing good and you aren't getting the opportunities? Very much. Very, 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 very much. बचपन में मुझे लगता था कि I don't get jealous and I don't get insecure because I don't care who likes that guy, who that guy likes. I don't care. Turns out I don't care about those things, but I care about who you all like. So lately I've been feeling like Raghav Dada from Chain Kuni ki Main Kuni ki मेरे को काय को नहीं मिला magic bat, इसको काय को मिला. I feel that. Sync4 Private asks, who would you date out of these three? Jashwant, Shivit and Adit. I would become celibate. I wouldn't date any of them. Avani Narang asks, how many relationships have you had in total, including the school ones? Just relationships? I've had one crush in 7th standard. I dated him for 3 months. Then I had another crush in 10th standard. I dated him for 4 months. Then I had a boyfriend, जो पहला प्यार वाला boyfriend, in 12th standard. I dated him for 6 months. And then I had one proper guy that I genuinely was in love with and I dated for 2 years on and off living. So yeah, that's it. उसके अलावा after my ex, I have not dated anybody. I've not even had an FWB, which is just sad. But like I haven't. I don't feel like money नहीं करता. Okay, next is Kalia Badmos asks, what's your biggest fear? I know yours is Bheem, but my biggest fear is losing my freedom. That is like ultimate fear. Even I was in my hometown, and freedom doesn't mean कि मुझे आयाशी करनी है, मुझे घूमना है. Freedom is everything. How I speak, how I dress, where I go, who I talk to. Next is Gungun Chaudhary's question. Splitsvilla से पैसे लेके उन बसों का क्या किया? It's actually funny. मेरा एक छोटा भाई है यश, उसने मुझे कॉल करके कल ये चीज बोला था. What is the life story of Kashish Kapoor? मैंने पूछा क्या? कहता 2024 में 7 लाख आए, 2025 में 7 लाख चले गए. So that is what happened. मुझे कट कुटा के 10 लाख में से 7 लाख मिले थे और इस साल मेरे घर में ऐसे कांड हो गए, which you all are very well aware. वो आए वो गए. And who is your favorite contestant of BB19? अभी वाला मतलब. I like Ashnur. She's sweet, she's smart, she's confident. I like her. Do you like Apurva? What is your perception about her? Yes, I like her. Of course, I like her. मैं जब Big Boss से आई तो while I was in Big Boss उसने मुझे काफी support किया था. मैंने stories देखी and जब मैं Big Boss से आई तो उसने मुझे सामने से message किया था that I like you and I think we should be friends and we should hang out. And we've met 2-3 times after. Like recently also when we met, so we talk like friends. It's always been warm. There's been no awkwardness. And her perception is that she's a girl living her life on her own terms. You can like her, you can not like her. It's completely fine. You don't have to hate somebody just because they live the way they do. It's her freedom. Mavi Diso, how do you handle the taunts by society? थोड़ी practice हो रखी है मेरी. मुझे बचपन से सुनने को मिलता है. Like even when I was doing nothing, तब भी मुझे ताने मिलते थे. And now I have a thick skin and I usually think कि do they have a point? Are they right? If they are right and I agree and I don't like it, then I'll work on myself and I'll change it. आपने कभी किसी को cheat किया? If yes, then tell me the host. तो मैंने कभी किसी को cheat किया ही नहीं. Rupsa Mukherjee asks, how do you manage to be friends with Shubhi and Harshali together? I am friends with Roshali. I'm friends with Harsh. That's a different story. And we chill. That's a different story. They know that I have different dynamics with everybody and they know where my loyalty lies in what situation. So I think manage हो जाता है. Tips for becoming a 1000+ or a bad like you. कृति क्या है यार ये? I just feel like I am a smart woman. Bad तो पता नहीं तुम लोगों ने कहाँ से बता दिया, पर मेरे को I just feel like I am a strong, smart lady. That's all. But I agree, I am a bad bitch. Okay, next question is Jenny Crystal, your 10th class percentage. Darling, I scored 10 CGPA. That's like 98%. RWT asks, what is your body count? I'm guessing 58. No. And I'm not going to tell you what my body count is. क्योंकि तुम लोग इतने हरामी हो ना, तुम में से कोई ना कोई अगर मैं बोलूंगी ना 5, you're like, oh 5 bodies. You all are sad that you don't get any, so you hate on people who get some. What's your take on guys or how do you feel about boys? Ananya, seriously, I love boys. I love men in general. I love men every time. Okay, Jatin Pandey says, हर लड़की मैं आपको ढूंढता हूँ. बुरा मत मानना. तुम कितनी लड़कियों को तो जा रहे हो. But that's very sweet, man. Thank you so much. Your workout routine and what you eat in a day. Love you, Kashish. Hi, Kriti. My workout routine lately, I do swimming, then I do my weight training in the gym, then I come back and do some dancing. How do you earn money? Tell me everything in detail.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Revati, some people are trolling you. Why are you taking it light? तो रोना शुरू कर दूं बैठ के? What else am I supposed to do? I don't give a fuck. How to move on from a guy? I think once you genuinely and seriously love somebody, it's not easy to move on, and you don't just move on. Find a hobby, work on yourself, start fitness, look hotter, be hotter, go out, socialize. How did you convince your family to enter this industry? Dr. Revati Upadhyay, that was tough as fuck. My parents were not this chill always. There was a time मुझे अपने घर के छत पे जाना अलाउड नहीं था क्योंकि लड़के देखेंगे. जीन्स पहनने से मना कर दिया. अब तुम बड़ी हो गई हो, अब नहीं पहनना है. No socializing, लड़के घर नहीं आएंगे, तुम्हारे दोस्त नहीं बनेंगे, तुम ये नहीं पहनोगे, वो नहीं करो. But once I got Splitsvilla, I did Splitsvilla, I got Big Boss. They saw कि हाँ ठीक है हमारी लड़की नहीं है, ये अपना काम कर लेगी, क्योंकि उनका भी कंसर्न वैलिड था ना. दे वर कंसर्न कि मैं मतलब मेरा पेट चल पाएगा कि नहीं, कहीं मैं ना बन जाऊं, यू नो, सिस्टम में ना फंस जाऊं. बट वंस दे सॉ दैट आई वाज नॉट स्टूपिड एंड आई कुड सस्टेन माय सेल्फ, दे लव्ड मी, राइट. गाली आपके मुंह से बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बीइंग सैफ खान, आपको मेरे मुंह से गाली बहुत अच्छी लगती है. थैंक्स कमीने. चल Okay, I am Vivek says chup archinal. Okay, you know, I need to tell you all something. It's a gali, the R word. I need to tell you all something. What do you think happens or goes in my mind when you all write the R word? Let me tell you. तुमको लगता होगा कि मुझे बुरा लगता है, मुझे नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि it's not a gali. R word is a profession. People who sleep with other people for money are called the R word. I don't do that. तो मुझे क्यों बुरा लगेगा? That's like calling me doctor, 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 doctor. पर जब मैं डॉक्टर हुई नहीं तो मुझे क्यों लगेगा कि मैं डॉक्टर हूँ? Wildest thing that you have done till now, darling. I've done too many wild things. I just cannot say that on camera. पापा भी देखेंगे, मम्मी भी देखेगी, यार शर्म आ जाएगी ना, उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता है ऐसे. Shahriya Hussain asks, what Khan do you prefer to work with? I would work with Fawad Khan if he gives me a Bollywood movie. I would work with any Khan who gives me a movie. Are you dating Elvish भाई? 2 बार तो मिली हूँ भाई, 2 बार तो मिली हूँ. Dr. Mahesh Patil 2 बार मिली हूँ, literally नहीं. Describe yourself in one word. Anshu Yadav. One word. Heroine. Top 10 Splitsvilla contestants. Samia top 10 तो थे भी नहीं. टॉप 3 भले मैं बोल दूं, चलो हमारे सीजन के. कशिश कपूर, दिग्विजय राठी, आकृति नेगी, फायजा, हासिन, शोइलियो. क्या नाम है भाई ये? तुम समझ गए ना तुम कौन हो. हाउ डू यू डील विद द पीपल हु डिमोटिवेट यू और जज यू फॉर द वे यू आर? आई डोंट गिव अ I honestly don't give a My father should not feel bad, my mother should not feel ashamed, and my brother shouldn't feel that I've done something wrong. अगर ये 3 लोग सही है तो I don't care भाई. Okay, next question is Sarvaje Yeet ka. Are you on any dating app? If yes, who's the most famous person that you've met? So yes, I am on this dating app. It's a dating app for celebrities. And who did I meet over there? Who did I not meet? Kylian Mbappe. Every single F1 driver, you name him, he was there. Indian actors, all of them. The hotshot chocolate boys, everybody's there. Even the Greek god of India is over there. Do you have a crazy drunk story? Dick Hunt. No, it's DI8 Hunt. Crazy drunks. I've got multiple. But एक बताती हूँ, हमने बहुत पी रखी थी, हम नीचे आए तो मेरी फ्रेंड को स्टारबक्स बहुत पसंद था और उस समय मेरी औकात नहीं थी उसको स्टारबक्स की चीजें गिफ्ट करने की, राइट. और मैं भंडी में थी तो हम नीचे आए, मुझे ना कियोस्क देखा स्टारबक्स का. मैंने नहीं तो भी 15,000 का सामान टपा लिया स्टारबक्स से. Vanshika09, everybody is saying that Rashmi is a better host than Salman. What do you want me to say to that dude? I would like to disagree because see, there is a reason that Big Boss and Salman Khan are equivalent. Kyunki one does not work without the other. There could be no better host than Salman Khan for Big Boss, right? Kyunki he has that aura. Any other person would be like a Salman Khan light at this point. Joy Sanklecha. Okay. Who's the most famous person that has DM'd me? Many people. From your rappers, to your movie critiques, to your choreographers, to your actors, to your cricketers. Every single person. And I'll tell you, when I say cricketers, I mean the good ones. The good looking ones, the rather famous ones, the ones that talk to you for 10 minutes and then say, oh, I'm chilling in Taj Lanson, wanna come? So yeah, many people have DM'd me. What's your creepiest date story? Ank._.21. Creepiest date story. So I've had like a few. There was this one guy, he was weird. We went on a date, came back, and he was really insisting I come inside. I'm like, I don't want you to come inside. Abhi aa gaya, ab tum jao, ghar jao. He had this very chapped lips, like for fuck's sake, use lip balm, and he was trying to kiss me with those chappy lips. Like kaate ragadne hai mujhe apne gaalon pe, to main cactus na ugalu. So that was creepy. Wow, mummy, please skip. Somebody asking me, how do I apply to be your maid? First of all, fuck. Second of all, and third, you need to be able to portray like you are an innocent man, do your work on time, and then when I am not noticing, most important skill, हाथ की सफाई होनी चाहिए. घर की सफाई तो होते रहेगी, हाथ की सफाई जब मैं देख नहीं रही हूँ तो यहाँ से टपा लो, यहाँ से टपा लो. That's an important skill to have. You need to have that. Would you ever date a fan? Saurabh, तो this is a very weird thing because थोड़ा सा ना मुझे ऐसा off हो जाता है. Like I like a guy who has a little gravitas. You know, you could be a fan. You could tell me, I like your work, and then still maintain that persona, that magnetism. And okay, guys, this has to be the last question because I'm honestly genuinely tired. Who is my celebrity crush? So my all-time celebrity crush is Hrithik Roshan. All time. Like I think the day he sees me and I see him, I am just gonna tell him one thing: can I touch you to see if you're real? And when I touch his biceps, I'm gonna die. I know it for a fact. But अभी हाल फिलहाल का हम उम्र जो है जिसको मैं crush बोल सकती हूँ. After Royals, I really like Ishan Khatter because he's so much like Shahid Kapoor. He's so hot. Like Shahid Kapoor has this. Oh, by the way, Shahid Kapoor is a crush, bro. How am I missing it? He has that charm about him, you know. कि I am going to Mind, but you will love it. You're gonna thank him for it because he's just gonna be so hot while doing it. I can imagine crying over Shahid Kapoor and loving it. So yeah, Shahid's a crush. Ishan Khattar is very hot. He's a crush. And also Lakshay Lalwani, the guy who's recently done Abhi Masters of Bollywood. He's also so hot. Very good-looking guy, tall, good persona, good aura. So yeah, these are my celebrity crushes. This is all for this video, guys. And let me just quickly tell you what dress I'm gonna be giving away in this video. And you have to subscribe and then comment mentioning that you want this dress. And randomly, I'll just pick anybody and then I'll send it to you. Okay? Let me show you the dress. So guys, this outfit, I'm sure you all know about it. You guessed it very right in the previous video. ये मैंने Splitsvilla में पहना था, चाय पे चर्चा में, and I have only worn it once that very day. And now I'm giving it away. So if you want this dress, you know what to do. Comment and it shall be yours. Until then, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.